was something else I thought I might do while I have it in here. I retimed this the other day, and I had timed it with the light, which I don't always recommend, but if a car is doing really well, then sometimes timing it with the light is kind of cool because it gives you a place to start from. And I had messed around with the timing a little bit, and I noticed since then it hasn't cranked quite as well. And you know, a lot of times I like to also play with the choke a little bit, and of course if I'm going to do that, I kind of like it if the timing is set in a way that works. So what I'm going to do is just start this and plug off my vacuum line that goes to down there. Goes to the vacuum advance, and then just start it up and set the timing by the light of the silvery moon. No, set the timing by the light, and then I may play with the choke a little bit. Kind of goes along with what I was saying, you know, got an old car like this, you always got something to tinker with, and that keeps you from going out on the street and getting into trouble with gang violence and stuff like that. As old guys like me, you know, we need something to occupy our mind to keep us out of trouble. Because if it wasn't for that, we'd be doing who knows what out there. There's all sorts of things a person can get into out there. I'm just telling you. Yep, sure. Oh, take that off. I'll get a screwdriver. We'll turn that idle screw up a little faster. A little bit faster. She's not too far out. She needs to come toward being less advanced, just a hair. You gotta keep running if you want me to adjust you. Now, I mean, I'm just trying to be nice here, but I'm not gonna get ugly. You know how I am when I get ugly. I'm ugly when I get ugly. So don't mess me. Don't mess with me. You know how I am when I get ugly. Oh, you want that to happen? No, you don't. No, not even a little bit. I guess my wires are not heat proof because I melted one a little bit there. Have to be careful of that. Now she is almost right on the money. I could knob her forward a little bit more. Boy, I don't know. That's pretty good right there. Okay, that's right directly on the money right there. That's what you got to say. Oh, another thing I might want to do today, Todd and Lisa's coming up and they're going to want to ride around in a Chrysler. Had a young feller came over last night and I was going to crank it up and take it out of the garage and the brakes were sticking again. So one thing I want to do today is get it out, ride it around. Loosening brakes up before Todd and Lisa gets here. Oh, the joy. That tire, look. Still pooching out. I might have to take them things out. I think. It don't act right. I can. I got the skills. Paint some on there. I got them skills too. How you swing a paintbrush? Oh, the joy! It's hot today. Hot today. Maybe I'll go bring that Chrysler around. I don't know though. I need to cut some grass too. That's coming up. I'm gonna go cool off. Just figure out what I'm doing next, I think. Okay, some of y'all will get a kick out of this, knowing me like you do. I was complaining about the engine didn't sound right, and I couldn't figure out why after I reset the timing. Well, do you think I remembered to reconnect the vacuum advance? No, apparently I didn't. But now it is. I think I'll just leave it like that for now. That's what they're supposed to run like. Silly me. Okay.